Hi, I'm Bill, shop manager, Madness Auto Works, Texas, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Interstar power pedal on your Bronco. To install this module, no tools needed, but maybe a flashlight. It's got two connectors, one goes on top of the gas pedal, the other one goes to existing harness. I will show you all that in a minute. The first step is you want to make sure the vehicle's powered down. None of the dash lights on or anything like that. So you take a flashlight and you're going to go to the very top of the gas pedal, and there's this, just like this, there's a slide lock. Okay, what you're going to do, and the plug is going down into the top. So what you want to do with your thumb is pop this red, and then you're going to push right here and just release the plug. Okay, you're going to slide up on the lock, then right underneath the lock there's a tab. You're going to push and remove the plug. Now on the module, the red locking tabs, this is going to go on top of the pedal. Once you have the Interstar power pedal hooked up, what you're going to do is turn the vehicle on without starting it. And how you do that is with the key in the car, with your foot not on the brake, you're going to hit the start stop button. And it's going to power up the vehicle. Okay? Then what you're going to do is you're going to download the Interstar power pedal app. And here it is, icon, open it up. And it's going to look for the pedal. So what you're going to do is you're going to push that Bluetooth mod right there. And there you go. It's in the off mode now. We can change modes. Dynamic, sport, race. Keep in mind, you do not want to be messing with this while you're driving down the road. Please be in a stationary. You can do this when you're idling, but in stationary with your foot off the throttle. That is how you install the Interstar power pedal in your Bronco. Any questions, please give us a call or email.